Now let's repair a waterlogged 4th generation Mercedes key. First, we use the big screen to recognize the key information. FBS can recognize the key information. This is the second key of the original car. Let's measure it again. Key frequency. After the water ingress, the car cannot start. No remote control now detects the remote control does not have a frequency. We need the original key to open it. There's obvious signs of corrosion from the water. The battery is charred. Let's check.
Put it in.
The corrosion is particularly severe.
The back.
This is a fully intelligent key. Now let's put an ammeter on it and check it out. Serious leakage. Only the lock key works, the trunk key has no frequency. Okay. So let's test the second message. Second message, FPS, second key. Okay, now the repair is done. 4. Mercedes-Benz keys into the water caused by the remote control cannot be used. No intelligent function after testing. The key leakage. Now we have completed the repair to install a new set of shell, plus a rechargeable battery. We start assembly.